Hi, I just dropped off my transcript. I'm graduated from Adamson in the Philippines. So, ipapa-evaluate ko dito sa US yung transcript ko. So, makonsider na I'm college degree, okay? So, I went to FedEx to send to ECE. So may mga agencies sila rito na pwedeng ipa-evaluate ang inyong mga transcript para makapag-apply kayo ng mas higher position. I mean, makonsider na college kayo dito. So that's my advice if you are here in the US. Get your transcript in the Philippines so you can